Hello friends, welcome to Anis Academy. In our last video, we saw the formulas and concepts of profit and loss. This video you can see I'm going to discuss profit and loss along with the discount. Okay, so let's get started. So here I have written all the important formulas which we will be learning today. Okay, let's understand the concept of discount first, then we shall discuss the formulas. Okay, so suppose there is an item, okay, and a shopkeeper has to fix the amount for that item, right? So first of all, shopkeeper will buy the item, so the purchase price will be cost price, right? So let's say he bought it for 150 rupees, okay, so cost price becomes 150 rupees. Now he will mark the price on the item, so it is marked as 250. Okay, so this is called as MP. MP stands for marked price. So marked price is 250, but actually he is not selling it for 250. He is showing that to the customers that he is giving some discount. So he will sell it, he is being selling it for I'll write here rupees 200. So he is selling it for 200. So 200 becomes the SP, selling price. Okay. Now, if you see from the customer point of view, you will think that, okay, market price is 250 and you are purchasing at rupees 200. So there is a 50 rupees difference. So what is that difference amount called as? So the difference amount is called as discount. Okay, so customer will say on this item, sorry, not customer, shopkeeper will say on this item I'm giving you a 50 rupees discount. Okay, so discount means a chhoot, okay, in Hindi. So how to calculate the discount? So discount is calculated marked price minus selling price. Okay, so here in this case marked price is 250 and selling price is 200. So discount is rupees 50. So the same you can see I have written here the first formula, discount is equal to marked price minus selling price. Okay, now from this formula itself we can derive these two formula also. If in case here market price and selling price is given and we calculated discount, if in case selling price is not known, market price and discount is known, so you can calculate it using this second formula. Market price minus discount becomes selling price, because in this item market price is 250 and discount is rupees 50. So 50 we have to deduct from the market price and then the remaining amount becomes selling price. Okay, and the third formula is selling price plus discount becomes market price. So selling price is 200. On 200, our discount is 50. If we add the discount, it becomes the market price. Okay. So these are the strategies businessman will adopt on their goods. Now we have calculated discount. Next, what we are going to do is we will be calculating discount percentage. So this is 50 is rupees 50 is the discount given on this item. Now the question may come that what is the discount percentage? Okay, like how much percentage of discount shopkeeper has given on this item. Okay, so how to do that? We will be using this formula wherein it says discount percentage is equal to, you have to write discount upon marked price multiplied with 100. So remember always discount percentage is calculated upon marked price, because marked price is the basis to calculate the discount. We always, marked price is 250. On 250, the shopkeeper is offering 50 rupees discount and selling it for 200, right? So marked price is the total one. So let's calculate the discount percentage in this example. So discount percentage is equal to, discount is rupees 50. So we will write 50 here. Marked price is, you can see here 250 and multiplied with 100. So this zeros will go and 25 fours are 100. Okay, and 5 fours are 20. So 20% is the discount. Now let us see the last formula. So here in this last formula, discount is equal to discount percent multiplied with marked price upon 100. So when to use this formula? Suppose in the problem, discount percentage is given, marked price is also given, and you have to find the discount in rupees. Okay, then we will be using this formula. So let's use this formula on this example itself. So in this example, just now we calculated and we found that discount is 20%. So discount is 20%. Now, how to calculate discount in rupees? So discount in rupees is equal to discount percent as per this formula, discount percent multiplied with marked price divided with 100. Okay, so discount percentage is 20, marked price is 250 multiplied with 100. So these zeros will get cancelled, and 25 into 2 is 50. So this is 50 rupees. Okay, in rupees. This is the discount. So now we have learned all the 5 formulas. Let us solve these 2 questions. Okay, based on this profit loss and discount concept. Right. So I'll rub this portion and we will be solving these questions here itself. So let's say this is question number 1. This question number 1, if we solve here, solution 1. So in this question, what it says, the marked price of a ceiling fan is rupees 1250. Okay, so marked price is given and shopkeeper allows a discount of 6% on it. So on the marked price, shopkeeper is giving 6% discount. So discount is also given, but discount is not given in rupees, it is given in percentage. Okay, so maybe we have to use these formulas on it. Find the selling price of the fan. So what we have to find? We have to find selling price of the fan. Okay, SP. So let us quickly solve this. So to find the selling price, you can see here, we need marked price and discount. Okay, so marked price is given, but discount in rupees is required to find the selling price, and discount in percentage is given. So first we will find discount in rupees. So we will be using this formula, right, to find the discount in rupees. So we will use this formula, we'll find the discount in rupees, then we will use this second formula to solve this problem. Okay, so let us quickly find the discount in rupees. So discount in rupees is equal to, I will write here, D is equal to discount percentage divided by 100 multiplied with marked price. Okay friends, same formula. So now in this formula you can see discount percentage is 6%. So 6 upon 100 multiplied with 1250. Okay, 1250. So now here what we can do is we can cancel this 0. Okay, and with 5, if I cancel 5 2s are 10, and this becomes 5 2s are 10, 25 5s are 125. Okay, and then this 2 also gets cancelled with 6, it becomes 3. So you can see 3 and into 25. So 3 into 25 is equal to 75. So this is discount. 75 is the discount. So in rupees. Okay. Now we will find the selling price. So selling price is equal to, you can see the second formula, marked price minus discount, which is your marked price is 1250. 1250 minus discount is 75. Okay, so let's quickly subtract this. 10 minus 5 is 5, this becomes 4, and 14 minus 7 is 7, 1 1. So rupees 1175 is the selling price of this ceiling fan. Okay, so we have solved this problem. Now let us also solve this second problem. Okay, so I'll write here solution to. Second problem says a trader makes his marks his goods. Sorry, not makes, friends. Marks. A trader makes his. Sorry, this is should be marks. A trader marks his goods at 40% above the cost price and allows a discount of 25%. What is his gain percent? Okay, so here what is given is trader marks his goods at 40% above the cost price. So on the cost price, 40% extra he is marking. Okay, so marked price is not given, but it is telling that how much above the cost price it is, and allows a discount of 25%. So discount percentage is given. What is his gain percentage? Gain percentage means the profit percentage. This we have discussed in the last video. Okay, so how to calculate this? In this problem, we have to assume that the cost price CP is 100. So you have to assume, because everything is in percentage, it is easy if you assume cost price is 100. So now cost price, if cost price is 100, what is marked price? Marked price is, as per the question, trader marks his goods at 40% above the cost price. So on 100, 40 rupees he is increasing. So marked price is 140 rupees, which you can say 100 plus 40. Okay, cost price plus 40. So marked price is 140. So we know the marked price. Okay, so find the cost and allows a discount of 25%. So discount is 25% here in this question. What is his gain percent? So to find the gain means profit. So you know the profit formula is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay, and profit percent, gain percent. So profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price multiplied with 100. So we have to find profit percent. So before finding profit percent, we have to find the profit, and before finding profit, we have to find the selling price. Cost price is there 100. So first we will calculate the selling price, then we can achieve this result. So how to calculate selling price? If MP and discount percentage is given, you can see from this formula. Okay, so selling price is equal to marked price minus discount, and we will use this formula to find the discount in rupees. So discount is given in percentage. Discount in rupees is equal to discount percentage, okay, upon 100 into marked price. So marked price is 140. Fine. So now 25 fours are 100, and with 4 we'll cancel 140. So it becomes 4 threes are 12 and 4 fives are 20. So discount in rupees is 35. Now we know discount in rupees 35. Okay. So let us calculate the selling price. So selling price is equal to marked price, which is 140 minus discount. Discount just now we calculated 35. Okay. So upon subtraction, what do we get? We get 105. So selling price we got. Now with the help of selling price, we will calculate profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price, which is 105 minus cost price is 100 here. So this will give you 5. Profit is 5. Okay. So this is in rupees as well as in percentage also, because it is out of 100. We know profit percentage is always calculated based on CP, cost price, and cost price is 100. So 5% is the gain percent. Okay. And if you can calculate using this formula also, you will get same answer. So now profit percentage is equal to profit upon CP. CP is 100 100, 100. So 100 gets cancelled, 5%. So this is the answer here. Gain percent or profit percent is 5%. Okay. So hope you have enjoyed this video, friends. Okay. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Show your love to my channel. Thank you very much.